in it. Instead of me to collect bribe to sell my the birthright of mine and sell Biafran at large and sell Nnamdi Kanu, it's better I lower to the grave. Because this fight, we must fight it to the end. Fulani can never come and occupy our land, and Fulani can never conquer us. We are not a terrorist, and we can never be a terrorist in our own land. We are not a Muslim, and we can never be a Muslim. Muslim can never occupy our land.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone, your location, and wherever you are watching us from. Today being the 17th day of August 2026, we, the team of Magnetic Gist TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, Commander General the Yahoo has exposed the conspiracy against Simon Ekpa, why the Finland refused to release Simon Ekpa upon all the hearing of Simon Ekpa last case, court case this month. So, according to Gento, he said that this is the reason why they want to buy him, because he is exposing them. Now, listen to this voice note from Gento the Yahoo and the secret concerning, or the secret that is linking the reason why they refuse to release Simon Ekpa in this their last court case. Gento revealed that.
Yeah, my wonderful people of Biafra, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, wherever that you are listening and are hearing my voice from. I am still remaining your humble servant, Ifeanyi Chukwu Orientez, aka Gento the Yahoo. Today's date is 16th of August 2026. I want to make it categorically, I want to make it clearly to the understanding of the Biafrans and the understanding of the world leaders. Please, I am going to play this voice clearly for our people to hear and understand the kind of atrocities and the wicked leaders we have in Biafraland. And I want this my message to get direct to His Excellency Donald J. Trump and the Prime Minister of Israel and the Israel Parliament, for them to understand the kind of evil that has been falling on Biafrans for a long time. I don't have much to say than to put this voice for our people to hear it and understand the kind of evil politicians, the evil leaders. Now they have surrendered Biafraland with the Fulani in uniform, only just to make a way for their Fulani herders to come in. Now even Okigwe that has been quiet for over a year and they are now creating checkpoints everywhere. They are now creating checkpoints everywhere, justly because of their selfish interests and the selfish politics. Tomorrow now they will start analyzing stories, telling the world, telling everyone that I am the one causing the havoc in Biafraland. I am this, I am that, I am this, I am that. I want to highlight to our people and tag the President of the United States of America and the Prime Minister of Israel and Israel Parliament. Help me to tag the Putin, the President of Russia, for them to understand what Biafrans are passing through. That is the reason why they are moving around, looking away, searching for Gento to kill. Because of I am only person that can come up and tell them what their plans and the plans that they have been having over Biafrans. Because of I stood my gap, I stand to fight. I stand to say no to all this evil and the atrocities that they have been committing in Biafra nation. And I am still saying it. Instead of me to collect bribe to sell the birthright of mine and sell Biafran at large and sell Nnamdi Kanu, it's better I lower to the grave. Because this fight, we must fight it to the end. Fulani can never come and occupy our land, and Fulani can never conquer us. We are not a terrorist, and we can never be a terrorist in our own land. We are not a Muslim, and we can never be a Muslim. Muslim can never occupy our land. Our land doesn't belong to Muslim. Listen to this voice clearly. Listen to this voice clearly. And make sure you share it. Drop your comment on the comment section. Make sure that it goes viral. Confirm how our leaders, people that call themselves Igbo leaders, people that call themselves Igbo politicians, hear the plans, the evil agenda on how they want to sentence a man, a genuine man, a mouth that has been speaking for Biafrans, a man that doesn't do anything evil, a man that doesn't committed any crime. Now compare it with all the allegations, all the whole kidnappers, all the whole kidnappings, all the whole atrocities that they are laying on our head that we are doing in Biafraland. Compare it with this voice that you are about to hear now. God bless all Biafrans, all genuinely Biafrans that are making sure that they are working assiduously to make sure that, yes, Biafra is restored. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And the gods of the land must bless and keep on protecting each and every one of you. For those that are kicking against Simon Ekpa and then Nnamdi Kanu, for those that are kicking Biafrans not to actualize their freedom, I pray that the gods of the land must strike them and their families one after the other. May God bless Israel. May God bless United States of America. May God bless the Putin, the government, the president of Russia. May God bless all the whole the world leaders that knows the truth and stand on the truth. May God bless all of them. We are going to share together. We are going to celebrate together, and the Biafra land is going to accept each and every one of you. God bless all of you. Remain blessed and listen to this voice. Thank you.
Nwanne m nwoke ka eke mere ama m na arụ dị based on ajụjụ ejụrụ m gbasara ihe Biafra. I just will see a meeting on Wednesday with my colleagues from the southeast, with the presidency, with some the Ugu. So anyị wee kpọọ ndị na-handle kesi Simon Ekpa. I say ha emelu m ala because we are following up. Also the presidency, they are following up with the southeast politicians because he nwere much upper hand on the case. On that very meeting, I was there, and ndị na-handle kesi Simon Ekpa kọwara anyị ọfụma nwecha much thing ha nwere ike ijili hoduo Simon Ekpa. So anyị gwara ha na emelu m ala, no matter what, they must not let Simon Ekpa be released. That they must do anything that they know they can do to see that Simon Ekpa is being detained back in the prison. I want to make sure na ekipru Simon Ekpa at least 2027 election. So my brother Eba Kaino now, fingers across. We are hoping that they are going to do their job because hakuranyim kwafuma na haga aroro ha, and they will do their best to see that they kept Simon Ekpa in prison till that very 2027 election. So we have a serious agreement with them, and we agreed that we are going to keep our own agreement with them, and we should make sure that they keep their own agreement and do their job very well. So udodi ka na-aga n'ubi ka jinaka nwanne nwoke emesia ka ịmara ka ihe jinaga na Finland. All eyes is on Finland now. So my brother ka emesia onkwere ka ihe jinaga m ga na keep you update, okay?
Biafrans, now you can see that the fight is still going on in Biafraland because the Nigerian fighter jet is still hovering around Imo and Anambra and Enugu as well, looking for ESN camps. So one of the ESN guys made this video as he laments on the way they are throwing bomb at them. Listen to him in this video.
Today being August 15th, 2026, Nigeria terrorist health efforts have come once again to start throwing bomb at the innocent Biafrans in the name of searching for ESN camp. They are now throwing bomb to the Biafra Legion. They went to far away to many countries to go and purchase ammunition. But where you will see them use it is in the southeast. You cannot see them use that ammunition in Boko Haram. You can't see this helicopter strike Boko Haram, strike ISIS, strike ISWAP, strike all the terrorists, all the Fulani terrorists that kidnapping people, killing people in the Plateau, killing people in Boronu, killing people in Kaduna, killing people in Niger. You can't see them fly this helicopter to go and find them. Rather, you will see them searching for ESN that do not allow Fulani to do the same thing in Biafra region. This is what they are doing. But one thing we know is this: let this go viral to the whole international community. This is what Nigeria are doing. Since 1967 till date, the war between Nigeria and Biafra have not stopped. They never stopped the war. Rather, they will find another way means to make sure they keep Biafrans.
Biafrans, our sister here is saying that it is time government should release Mazin Nandekaro, should release Simon Ekpa, to allow Biafrans to go. Listen to our sister here in this video to hear what she said.
Igbo's politicians, free Mazin Nandekaro, free the Igbos, Igbos in the house, free the Igbos. I am a Muslim, I am a Muslim, Igbos in the house, I am a Muslim, come on with him. Igbos in the house, I am a Muslim, Igbos in the house. For this freedom, for this Biafran, you people will never know peace. Una manfunati forma, no kakiadia, wanyakiadia, una manfunati forma, una mamana tudo. Oji fe wata weniaka, aka unu jueji de Biafra gawaji. Oji fe wata weniaka, aka unu jueji de Mazin Nandekaro gawaji. Oji fe wata weniaka, aka unu jueji de Igbo gawaji si. Oji fe wata weniaka, aka unu jueji de Biafra, aka gawaji. Biafra or the zoo falls. Biafra or the zoo collapse. Biafra or Biafra. Biafra or Biafra. Oduduwa, which is Yoruba, they have freedom. Hausa have Alewa. Yoruba have Oduduwa. Why can't I, as an Igbo, have Biafra? Why can't I, as an Igbo, have Biafra? If Yoruba have Oduduwa, if Hausa have Alewa, why can't I have Biafra? Can you figure out that Mama Walla Biafra? And also cheer window. Tinibu, 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 Tinibu. Leave Mazin Nandekaro alone. Tinibu, Tinibu, Tinibu. Let the Igbo go. Tinibu, Tinibu, Tinibu. Free Mazin Nandekaro. Tinibu, free Mazin Nandekaro. Tinibu, 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 Tinibu. Free Mazin Nandekaro. Tinibu, free Mazin Nandekaro. Federal government of Nigeria. Free Mazin Nandekaro. Igbo government officials. Free Mazin Nandekaro. Free Mazin Nandekaro. Free Mazin Nandekaro. Tinibu, 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 Tinibu. Free Mazin Nandekaro.
So, Biafrans, just like our brother here is also saying, if Igbos had given the opportunity to be on their own, by now, Nigerian, or should I say Biafraland, would have been a better place. I'm telling you, it would have been a better place. Listen to our brother in this video to hear what he said.
At this point, we have to agree that one Nigeria is what is setting the Igbos back from becoming more successful than they are today. See who talk him. His name is Abumira. Yes. Now, do you agree with Abumira or not that one Nigeria is what is setting the Igbos back from becoming more successful than they are today. Now, let's look at what he said. At some point, you just have to agree that one Nigeria is what is drawing the Southeast backward. These guys need to let guys go. He said they need to let these guys go. Now, do you agree with him or you disagree? Like as I said, me, Prophet Boy, I agree with Abumira 100%. One Nigeria is setting Igbos back. One Nigeria is holding Igbos down. One Nigeria is taking a lot from the Igbos. Because Igbos are well destined and well structured and well prepared for anything. But one Nigeria is not allowing the Igbos to exercise, to show what God has given to them. And this is what Abumira has seen and decided to come out and voice out. Now, let me ask you, do you know why chemical engineering is banned in UNN? Because I know nobody wants to talk about that topic. Do you know why chemical engineering is banned in UNN? Chemical engineering is banned immediately after the war because that was what the Biafran soldiers used to produce their own Egbe. Hajiwe defend them during the war. They produced Ogunigwe, they produced some other Egbe, some other Ngwaya, Hajiwe Nog, Hajiwe defend them. So they saw that thing as, if we allow these people, if we allow chemical engineering in UNN to continue to exist, these guys are going to do something behind, and in the near future, they're going to use it. That's why they decided to ban chemical engineering in UNN. That is why the subject and the faculty does not exist anymore. Just because of Ngibu. A well civilized and the well decorated and the well structured nation, a developed nation, will bring this kind of opportunity and use them. Today, Nigeria is not producing anything. Nigeria is producerless. Nigeria is not producing anything. They are not producing Egbe. They are not producing any bomb. They are not producing any Mbo. They are not nothing Nigeria they produce. But if they had reintegrated Igbos properly and then allow chemical engineering into university, whereby they can be producing so many things, Igbo would have made this country look like a London or one of those Western countries. But because of Obioje Baham Igbo, no, they do want to do it. So I agree with Abumira 100% that Nigeria, one Nigeria is setting the Igbos backward. One Nigeria is drawing the Igbo backward. So they need to let Igbos go so that these things will be harnessed. Now, do you support or you disagree? Today is 17th of August 2026. Peace and love.
The same goes to our brother here in what he is saying concerning Mazi Nandekalu, Mazi Simon Ekpa, and Biafra in general. Listen to him to understand what he is saying in this video.
Good morning, Biafrans. I greet everyone. Week 1. Today is 17th of August 2026. As you all can see what is going on and all the plans of the enemies, those who doesn't want our freedom to come through, all of you can see and listen and hear for all their plans, everything they have been doing to making sure that that Master Simon Ekpa continue to remain in cancellation in Finland. That is to show you those who are behind the sentencing of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria. After watching that voice note, and up till now you still don't know those who were behind the bars, those who sentenced Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria. After all the voice you have listened to yesterday that we posted on our page, after listening to that voice, and you still don't know those who sentenced Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria, then I don't think your brain is working. You understand? The same people who have made sure that they silent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Nigeria, who have made sure that they sentenced Mazi Nnamdi Kanu by all means, simply because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refused to bow for their pressure, simply because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refused to accept the bribe and the offer which they have offered him in Nigeria. They said, okay, since he have refused to be part of us, we have no any other option than to illegally sentence him without any concrete evidence. these the same people are still the same people who are fighting tooth and nail to make sure that Simon Ekpa remains in castellation in Finland. You see the wickedness of all these politicians. The wickedness of all these politicians. Now you are fighting tooth and nail to make sure that this young man, this innocent man who have committed nothing, you are fighting all you can do to make sure that he still remains inside the prison, even when you don't have any evidence. You don't have any concrete evidence. You don't have any physical evidence. This man is innocent. There is no evidence of this man committing any single crime that you people have accused him of. Yet, you still want to play Nigerian politics in Finland court. You still want to play Nigerian politics in Finland court. You know, I told us that they can say that Nigeria have mapped out $25 billion to fight anything fightable to make sure that freedom or Biafra doesn't come into an existence. How many of you remember when I said that on my previous video, that Nigerian government have mapped out $25 billion long ago, standby, to fight against Biafra? Now it is all clear to us that this money that have been kept since is now working. They are ready to spend any amount of money just to make sure that Simon Ekpa and Simon can remain in prison. Are you aware that Nigerian government is paying a lobby firm in America? A lobby firm in America. Are you aware that they are paying them $9 billion every year just to make sure that all the atrocities that is being committed in Nigeria, all the atrocities that is being committed by Boko Haram, ISWAP, Al-Qaeda, and the other terrorists in Nigeria is not reported to American president? Are you aware of that? That $9 million is being paid every year to a lobby firm in America to make sure that congressmen in America does not know anything, all the atrocities and the genocide that is happening in Nigeria. Are you aware that they are paying them money for that not to reach the table of the American government? Are you aware of that? You are not aware. Have you seen? I think all our eyes have opened now. You can see the evil of these our evil politicians. They are fighting tooth and nail to make sure that Simon Ekpa remains in prison comes 2027 because of this nonsense selection in Nigeria. You see? But one thing they don't know is that Finland are not Nigeria, and Nigeria is not Finland. You understand? Finland is a civilized country. It's a country that obeys the rule of law. Even though we know that the Nigerian government have bribed some of the prosecutor who is working for them, and also they have also bribed some lawyers who is working for them in order for them to continue keeping Simon Ekpa without any evidence. But we will continue to monitor the case. All eyes is in Finland. The world is watching them. If Finland decided to follow the path of politics instead of following the path of justice, the world is watching them. Whatever they do, they should be very, very careful. They should be very, very careful, because this is not a matter of Simon Ekpa. This case they are handling now is a matter of 70 million Biafrans. That is the reason why they should be very, very careful in whatever they are doing. They should follow the path of justice. The path of justice, it is very, very important. If Nigerian government have brought money for you people should take the money. At the end of the day, you people should do the right thing. Let the law take its course. That is the only thing I can say. If Nigerian government have offered you people money, grab the money. At the end of the day, deliver justice. Let the justice take its course. That is the only thing I can say. I don't have much to say. Because it is obvious that we have seen that my Simon Ekpa, right from the beginning, have not committed any crime, have not committed any offense whatsoever. That is the reason why Nigerian government don't even have any delegate that is representing them in Finland. Because they know that they don't have any evidence against this young man. They don't have any evidence of all the accused. They have accused this guy. No evidence whatsoever. That is the reason why all of them are enjoying themselves in Nigeria, using that 25 billion naira to run everything they are running in Finland, to make sure that they bribe everybody in there, so that man Simon Ekpa could remain inside the jail. But the God of 5 million Biafrans who died during the war will continue to disappoint every one of you. All your evil plans, God will continue to expose all of you one by one. You get the point? Yes. That is all I have to say.
This our brother J-Pack has made a very significant point in this video that of his, using the video as the way the video supported his uncle to the very last moment until his uncle won the election. That if Igbos are supporting fellow Igbos this way, things that is happening will not be happening the way it is. That by now, Mazen Nandekalu would have been a free person, that he will not be in that jail. Are you getting me? So I was listening to our brother to hear exactly what he said.
Unu we have a bit of be always now on one day. Davido, only Davido. Uru gidiba. Support you get one day we know. Kubana chief priest. Have one day of support. So no in your family one of support. Obi Kubana. Upon na forgive Obi. He have one day of bit Obi. Actually, a city boy, never hire on the way, you know. I just know alone. Or I'm an academic when you don't see if you want to support. Yeah, you don't feel no, he will protect your business. My brother, I know why I just saw a way. My business go in you forget about your business. He will go at my business side. I chop power. I chop power. I don't want power. But I'm not the kind of you make it. We're not even looking at. All I want a power. Nandi will not know Hanoku na Nigeria. Nandi can wouldn't be inside. Onye Nubu, Chorakato, Nandi Kanonga. Oya Nambara, Chorakato Enga. I mean, not Sundanambra. I mean, the National number, Governor Nambra to Kato Nanikanonga, Governor Nukusato Nanikanonga, Governor Abia, Amaram Nochoro, Governor Imo, the same thing. Everybody to Kato Nanikanonga. Mana Yorubani na Ausanine, Quechiri. See today, and I'll say, he will be doing can provide an own bonus in the banditry. Even when Sheikh Gumi, now but open clear, we was happening that, now they repent, or I had repent, I city and I be the police, or they defend the woman, I bought a woman, Manala de him, Sheikh Gumi, they defend in the house, Ruechi. Bibo Sunday, Quechiri, watch also, but on a shatazos, Buhame, Pocketails, or may align with the government, Corona Center, today, Sunday Buhor, I got it freely, also a decision maker in Yorubaland. All your lot we know about that tea wouldn't hear me at Sunday Bohego. Get with the sauce or not my business. Don't worry. What if the business are maybe no business outside the power? I want you naka.
Nonso Unkwa in this video is sending this message to Owerri people concerning the land dispute that is going on there. Upon all the court verdict, yet the thing still continues. Listen to Nonso Unkwa in this video to hear what he said.
I'm a very, very quick one. Yesterday, Kangwarunu about a court judgment banning Umonyeche youth na Ndiozo from collecting levy, tax, whatever, from Undenera and Rutobi Street yesterday. So the court made that judgment on Thursday, and the judgment abaga into immediate effect. So yesterday, I made it clear here. I read out the court judgment here on social media. I made it open to the world, and of course to government of Imo State, and of course we said it on radio. That same yesterday, OCDA, in conjunction with Tichina Sawaneri, wrote a letter backdating it that Nahama Chieli Rahia Narotobi Street, just to insult the court, you know, to mock the court, to tell the court, who are you, go to hell, to insult the judiciary. Habia backdate here, letter that I'm actually Israel Narotobi Street. Now, where's the headache Israel Narotobi Street? That no more, in fact, that they should close their shop from now till Monday. Now, here from now till Monday. Now, man, now, Narotobi Street. And I want to tell OCDA, no wonder, can that guy not there self? That guy would know, lay that OCDA guy, lay home herige. No, Machianu Rotobi Street is where, then go and Machikuanu Royce is where, Machikuanu School Road is where, Machikuanu Church Christ Road is where, Machitan all the adjoining streets. Ebe when a shop, Kuchianu shop in the Lily on a street, and when I lower now. Ebu no my here. Behaving like illiterates. See how you people are behaving. One small position, one poor man like you. One poor man from a very poor family like you. And then maharetera oil. Na lower. Then maharetera manunko. Then maharetera akra. Then maharetera ji. Nima ore. And you one small position. One poor man like you. Very, very poor family. See what you are doing to poor people like you. See what you are doing to poor, innocent, harmless citizens of Imo State. See what you are doing to them. Because in accord to Shunu, you people should not do what? Ban these people. Trokoha, Bobo Tibo Yenile, Unebruze now. From OCDA. No more here, offloading and this thing. No more offloading and loading na Rotobi Street. All couldn't barrier court. All couldn't barrier court. All couldn't barrier judiciary. All couldn't barrier the magistrate. Small position in the government. Very soon now it will expire. Very soon. That is why unu government una be useless to the society. I'm telling you, I am a Unuruchoro government who are doing useless to the society. Unuruchoro government who they want more enemies than ever. And then I give small position now government get zuzu. A position that will soon expire. Get zuzu. Get push. Eh? Because I call to Shunu. Une Nyezlanda ya rote bin sobu. Une Baghdad here. Baghdad here, that they should pack away from Rotobi. Actually, Gunu. Yeah, Chukuru. Are we high game? Oh, yes. Are we who do game? You people are rubbish. One who know. Uno de insignificant. One who know. Of intimidation, Unu GJ at Toronto Mado. Unu Gebuko Mado on Rotobi. The one already Ibu Mado on Rotobi. I could call me. I'm a buya kamuma. I'm so quite a buya kamuma. And the police is there. The police cannot take action. Amam here police na atorojo. Amam onya na atorojo. Amam onya na atorojo. Police, you are there. Even the police itself can hajibia burushan gwongwonde mado yesterday. Police can hajibia burushan gwongwonde mado yesterday. Park rigu sunde mado. Una should intimidation kuru jeri. Chineke ga uno oku. All of you will die unnaturally. That intimidation is too much. Why are you dealing with the poor people like that? In a government that has destroyed the economy of this nation. In a government that has killed Nigerian people with poverty. Now people are trying to survive. Let family ha. Una si ha kuchie. Una si ha na no more is there. No. No more is ahead at Otobi Street. Ngwajani mechie no Royce now. Ka hapuzi inwe shop na Royce. Mo hapuzi inwe shop na School Road. Mo hapuzi inwe church na Christ Church. Inwe shop na Christ Church. Mo hapuzi inwe ihe anwa na Tetulo. Je kuchikwu na ebe nda. Unu na wanya. Small position enyere gi nwa poor man. Nwa poor man nne ya na-arụta nwulo na Lowere. Small position enyere gi. Ayi unu ji amali elu. I don't blame you. I don't blame you people. Merameno. But at the end of the day of reckoning shall come. Oh now, it will come later. I am calling upon the elders of Umuonyeche. Prominent people from Umuonyeche. Ndoha, Umuonyeche. Osuwele. Chetakwa nukemere na Toronto. Ọ ga-ahịọkwa ọzọ. Ana m ebuye ka amụma. Ọ ga-ahịọkwa ọzọ na Rotobi Street. The elders of Umuonyeche call this young man to order. Call that OCDA one nwoke to order. Ọkwasị na Chinase nwanne dị n'ebe hụ mere nie. Call him to order. Lee ihe nwa mege. Nwa kwesịrị ịbịa n'umere na isi ajụọ ya oyi. Lee ihe nwa mege. Nna agba nkịtị. Ndị bochi nwa rụmala zuzube agbakọ kwege ya n'olulu. Ọ ihe ndị Igbo kwuru. Nwa zuzube n'umere n'ihe. Ndị umere ni agbakọ aka kwege ya n'ime olulu. But letu unu shigba nkịtị. Nwa na-emesi unu up. Ndị ọha Umuonyeche, ndị okenye Umuonyeche, eze ndị Umuonyeche, ndị personalities enwere n'Umuonyeche.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Dick TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.